Get it! Great googly moogly! Even Maggie's slippers can't dance.
We knew you'd like it.
Oh. Must be getting late.
Maybe we better get some sleep.
That's a good idea. Good night, bunny slippers.
Good night, Beast.
Good morning, Maggie.
Good morning, Beast. Did you sleep well?
Oh, yes. I slept very well.
I'm sorry your bunny slippers aren't real, Beast.
What do you mean? I love them.
I knew you'd feel better about them in the morning.
They're the best slippers in Nowhere Land.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Hamilton. The windy day.
Hamilton, it's not windy enough.
Oh, there'll be a breeze. I just know it. Kites don't need very much wind.
Yes, but they need something. Come on, let's do something else.
I found it! I'm sure a breeze will come along. Now, hold this up and I'll run. Hold it up higher! Oh, wow!
See, I told you. There is no wind.
Oh! Oh, Beast, I feel something. Try again. I'm ready.
Okay.
I told you there was a breeze coming. Wow!
Yippee! Careful, Hamilton.
Whoa! Oh.
It's getting very windy.
Uh-oh! Oh, no! Oh, no!
It's gone.
Oh. My box!
Got it.
Oh, thank you, Beast.
Wow, it really is windy today.
It certainly is.
Where can we go to get out of this wind?
Maybe we can find somewhere on the map.
Good idea, Maggie.
Ah! Hurry, we have to catch it. I've got it! No, I haven't. Oh. Hamilton, Beast, come on! It's getting away!
Where did it go, Maggie?
There it is! Come on!
almost had it.
It's this wind.
There it is. Quick, get on.
Hurry, Beast! No, no, no! It's gone. What if we never find it?
We'll find it, Maggie.
I'm not sure which way to go without the map.
We can still find our way around.
What if we get lost looking for it?
We know how to get to Cheesetown, and that's in the same direction as the wind.
Let's ask Rudy if he's seen the map.
Good idea, Beast.
Thank you.
Come on, Maggie. We'll find it.
Hi, Rudy.
Hi, guys.
Have you seen Maggie's map?
No, why? It blew away. Oh, no. I haven't seen it.
Oh, where could it be?
I'm sorry, Maggie.
It's okay, Rudy. It's not anyone's fault. Sometimes things get lost.
We'd better keep looking.
Thanks anyway, Rudy.
Okay. Good luck.
There's no sign of it anywhere.
Oh.
Can we make another map, Maggie?
I'll never remember everything that was on it. It was drawn on a piece of paper that my dad gave me. It's very special.
Hamilton,
Ow!
isn't that your kite up there?
Oh, yes, it is. Away!
And look at that bird's nest there. Why does it look so strange?
It's the map!
Hello there. You have our friend's map.
I don't think he wants you to take it, Hamilton.
I can see that beast.
Why don't you trade the kite for the map?
Good idea, Beast.
Thank you.
Oh, dear. Okay, I can do this. Here you go.
Yay!
Hooray! Thank you for getting my map back, Hamilton.
Oh, I'm so happy we found it.
Me too.
Me three. I'm hungry. Can we go home now?
Of course. And if we get lost, I can always check my map. Bye-bye.
Bye now.
Bye.
Nedley's glasses.
Maggie, what did Rudy say? Tell me again, I don't understand.
Neither do I, Maggie.
Rudy just said he was going to bring Nedley over this afternoon.
Bring Nedley over?
What does that mean? Why can't he come on his own?
We'll just have to wait and see.
Here they come. Maggie, what are they doing?
It looks like Rudy is leading Nedley along.
Oh. Whoops. Nedley's fallen.
He's up again.
Oh.
Is he wearing glasses?
Shh! Here they come.
This way, Nedley. Careful.
Sorry, I know we're overdue. Hi there, Maggie. Is that you?
I'm over here, Nedley. Are you all right?
Thank you, Maggie. Believe me, I'm fine. Today I feel like the world is mine.
Oh. Nedley, does this have anything to do with the glasses you're wearing?
To answer your question, I'm sure you'll agree, they add a touch of maturity.
But Nedley, you can't see with them.
Beast is right. Those glasses are not right for you.
These glasses are fine. It's just that they're new. My eyes will adjust in a day or two. Oh!
Nedley, are you all right? Did a doctor give you those glasses?
No.
Then where did you get them?
I found them at a place we all know. The land of lost things, where all lost things go.
But rabbits don't wear glasses.
That's right, Rudy. Rabbits have excellent vision because they eat carrots.
I don't need glasses to help me see, but they do add a touch of dignity. No more talk about glasses. Let's be on our way. Will someone please tell me where we're going today?
Let's go fishing.
I'm ready.
Nedley, you're facing the wrong way.
Oh, so I am.
I'll pack up the fishing gear and we'll be ready to go. Maggie, what are we going to do? He's fallen in the river 3 times since we got here.
Shh! He'll hear you. Nedley, are you drying out?
Oh, yes. My eyes need time to adjust, but I'll wear these glasses. It's an absolute must.
Nedley, you're making me a nervous wreck. I'm afraid with those glasses you'll break your neck.
Hamilton!
We must keep an eye on him so he doesn't fall in again.
He really believes those glasses do something for his image.
Oh, I've got a fish. I've got a fish. It must be big. It weighs a ton. Yes, it is. Look at the size of that one. Isn't that a beauty?
Nedley, that isn't a fish. It's an old Wellington.
Oh, yes. So it is.
Honestly, Nedley, you should consider getting rid of those glasses.
Never.
I'm tired of fishing. The fish have eaten all our strawberries anyway.
I agree. So, what are we going to do now?
How about a game of hide and seek?
Good idea!
Look who's coming.
Who is it?
Is anybody in there?
Is that one of the jelly beans?
It's me, Green.
Would you jelly beans like to join us in a game of hide and seek?
Yeah, let's play! Let's see who'll be it. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4. 5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato, more. My mother says I should pick you.
Nedley's it. Nedley's it.
Okay, Nedley. Stand against that tree. Close your eyes and count to 10. And don't look.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Is that you, Hamilton?
Oh, for goodness sake, Nedley. We're all here in front of you.
Please, Nedley. You can't see with those glasses. Yeah, take them off, Nedley.
Never,
Give me the glasses, Nedley.
never.
Nedley, you can't wear somebody else's glasses. Now give them to me.
Oh.
Trust me, I have a plan.
Oh. Come on, Nedley. Maggie has a plan.
Yeah, a plan. Trust her.
Oh.
I'm just going to take the lenses out. Now try them.
Thank you, Maggie, for removing the glass. It's the frames that give me a touch of class.
You're welcome.
I still look great, and now I can see. You're a really good friend for helping me.
Hooray for Maggie!